quick, grab your meal plan. You are gonna wanna add these 6 easy, delicious WW meals to it now. Starting off, I'm going to make a stuffed pepper soup. It is so good and it's perfect for a chilly winter day. I'm putting about 1 cup of rice on to cook. In my soup pot, I have 1 pound of lean ground beef, and I'm going to cook that and scramble it up. And also I have added salt and pepper. I have chopped up 1 small onion, 1 red pepper, and 1 green pepper. I have added those to my soup pot, and I'm gonna let them soften up and flavor up that burger, along with 2 cloves of minced garlic. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of basil, a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and about a tablespoon of dried parsley. You can use fresh. If you do, it's 2.5 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Give that a stir. 1 can of beef broth, 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, and 2 cans of petite diced tomatoes. I'm gonna bring this up to a simmer and let it simmer together for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, you're gonna take 1 cup of the prepared rice and add that to the soup. If you think your soup needs more, add more. But 1 cup usually works. And then it is ready to eat. And if you want to, you can add a little bit of mozzarella cheese to the top of your soup. This recipe comes from Cooking Classy. It is 374 calories. 22 grams of protein. For WW, it is 3 points. For Points Plus, it is 4 points. Man, you cannot get any easier with this next recipe. It is a chef's salad. So tonight's dinner is a chef salad, and I laid it out all over our island so everybody can just make it their own. I have hard-boiled eggs, which I am going to chop up, Black Forest ham, and oven-roasted turkey, low-sodium bacon pieces, a red pepper, carrots, onion, that onion is strong, whew, lettuce, shredded cheddar cheese, croutons, and then I have ranch, and I also have blue cheese. I love how everybody can just make their own salad to their liking. And for both WW and Points Plus, you can just add up your points as you go. This one is requested quite often by my guys. It is buffalo chicken sandwiches. So I took some chicken breasts and I cut them in half, and you can pound them out too to make them thinner. And I placed them in this plastic bag and added Frank's Red Hot buffalo wing sauce. And I'm going to let this marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour. In a bowl, I have added both packets of this extra crispy shake and bake. And I'm going to dip the chicken breasts with the buffalo sauce into the shake and bake. I'm gonna put them on a cookie sheet that I have lined with nonstick aluminum foil. I'm gonna put them in the oven on 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. If you want, you can serve them on buns. I have these ones by Great Value, or you can just put them on a little bit of lettuce each. And personally, I like to add a slice of Velveeta cheese too. On the side of the buffalo chicken sandwiches, I'm going to have the Southern style hash brown potatoes. I'm going to season it up with salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of Lawry's. I might not do salt. I might just do Lawry's and garlic powder and onion powder. For the points on this sandwich, if you're following WW, it's 0 for the chicken. If you're following Points Plus, it is 1 point per ounce. 1 cup of the potatoes for Points Plus is 2 points. For WW, it's 0. If you use a bun, it is 3 points for Points Plus and 4 points for WW. A slice of Velveeta cheese is 1 point for both of the eating plans. And the coating, for a serving of the coating, it's like 1 point for both of the eating plans. This one is a crock pot meal. It has a few steps to it, but man, is it worth it. It is crock pot chicken and dumplings. To my crock pot, I sprayed it and then I added some chicken. I cut up some onions, carrots, and celery and added those to my crock pot as well. Now I'm going to add 5 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of Better Than bouillon. This is what it looks like in case you haven't used it before. It's really good. It's just a bouillon base. The one that I'm using is roasted chicken. They also sell it in beef flavor. 1 bay leaf and salt and pepper to taste. I'm gonna cook this on low for about 6 hours. All right, we have a few steps to do to turn this into a delicious crock pot chicken and dumpling soup. First, I am going to break up the chicken that's in the pot. You can take it out of the pot and shred it and then put it back in, but I'm just gonna do it right in the crock pot. Now that the chicken is shredded, I turn my slow cooker up to high. I want that to come to a bubble. Meanwhile, in a bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm gonna mix this together really good, and then we're gonna head right back over to that crock pot. I'm gonna add that slurry right into the crock pot, whisking as I go. Then I'm gonna put the crock pot cover back on and leave it on high. And we're gonna make the dumplings. To a bowl, I have added 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of melted butter. The recipe says to use Lawry's. I thought I had some, I don't. So I'm gonna just put some regular salt in here. But if you have Lawry's, use it because it is so good in these biscuits. 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 cup of milk. I'm gonna combine this together. If it's too sticky, you can always add a little bit of water to it, but you have to stir it really super good and try to get all the little bits on the bottom mixed in. You want a teaspoon measuring spoon, and you're gonna measure the dough in 1 teaspoon size balls, and then you're just going to drop it into the broth. I did end up adding a little bit of water to my dough. Once I finish with the dough, I'm going to put the cover back on, and I'm going to let it cook on high for 1 more hour. This recipe comes from the Skinny-ish dish. For the serving size, it is a heaping 1½ cups. It is 6 points on WW and 8 points on Points Plus. 320 calories and a whopping 38 grams of protein. And because I didn't have Lawry's to add to the biscuit mixture, it was all right. It was still very good. So this is one of my favorites. It is a mushroom bacon quiche. So I have a pie shell, and I'm going to poke holes in the bottom of it, and then I'm going to place it in my oven on 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the crust is in the oven, I am cooking up some onions, mushrooms, and red pepper with a little pat of butter. In a bowl, I am adding 1¼ cup of egg beaters, 1/2 cup of fat-free half and half. The recipe says 3 slices of bacon. I have reduced sodium bacon pieces. I'm gonna add some of those in this, and some salt and pepper. Give that a mix. And now I'm gonna add the mushrooms, peppers, and onions to this mixture. Also add 3/4 cup of reduced fat. I have cheddar cheese. It also says you can use Mexican cheese blend. And get all this mixed together and set it aside. Once the pie crust is done baking, you're gonna pour that egg mixture into the pie crust, put it back in the oven, and cook it for about 40 to 45 minutes. You wanna spread the ingredients around so it kinda is more even in the egg mixture. For 1/8 of the pie, it is 194 calories, 9 grams of protein, 7 points on WW, and 5 points on Points Plus. This recipe freezes really well. Just prepare it as usual, wrap it up really well, pop it in your freezer, and when you're ready for it in the near future, you've got dinner. Now, we are going to make slow cooker chicken and stuffing. To my crock pot, I have added boneless skinless chicken breast. I also sprayed my crock pot, and I have salt and pepper on that chicken. To a bowl, I have added 1 can of cream of chicken soup. The recipe says to use Healthy Request cream of chicken soup. Now I'm adding 1/2 cup of fat-free sour cream. This is my choice. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to the soup mixture. Now I'm going to bring that insert to my crock pot over, and I'm going to add the soup mixture on top of the chicken. And I'm going to spread this out evenly over each of the chicken breasts. Now I'm going to move this aside. I rinsed out the bowl, and now I'm adding dry stuffing mix. I am using the Savory Herbs by Stovetop. And to that, I'm adding 1 cup of reduced sodium chicken broth. Give that a really good stir. We're going to switch again, and we're going to put the stuffing mixture all over the top of the chicken and the soup mixture. You want to spread that out evenly. Putting the insert to my crock pot in, and I'm going to set this on low for 6 hours. This looks kind of gross, but honestly, it is so delicious. You need to try this. This recipe I found on Emily Bites. It is 315 calories, 36 grams of protein. For 1 cup on Weight Watchers, it is 5 points. And Points Plus, it's 8 points. This recipe is basically a dump and go. You just put everything right in the crock pot. You can walk away for the day and it is ready by the time you are ready to eat. All of the recipes are linked below. In each recipe is also the nutrition, so it makes it easy for you to figure out your points or whatever program you're on. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you soon. Wait, here's 2 more videos you can watch next. Thank you for all of your support. You're amazing.